What is the simple present tense? Simple present tense is used to express the general time actions, repeated actions or habits, universal truth, and future. It is also called the present indefinite tense. For example, 1. She runs. 2. They play. 3. I run there. 4. We are honest. 5. The man is not sure. Note: the base form of the verb is used to form simple present tense. If the subject is singular, s or s's is added to the main verb. Simple present tense rules and examples. Structure: subject plus verb plus object plus other words. Examples: affirmative sentences. You play the match. He goes to market. Ram plucks the mango. You sing a song. Jack learns French.